So in today's video, I'll show you a full GoHighLevel tutorial for beginners. We'll go through this in 7 clear sections, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what GoHighLevel does, how to navigate it, and how to start using it right away. Before we dive in, if you want to follow along with me, it gives you a free 14-day trial for GoHighLevel, which is the exact platform I am using in this entire video. You won't get charged when starting up the free trial, so go ahead and grab it now. Then come right back when we'll start everything together. So first, what is GoHighLevel? Think of it as one single platform that replaces all the tools most businesses are paying for separately. We're talking about your CRM, email marketing, funnel builder, appointment scheduler, automation tool, and even your client management system, all in one place. Instead of paying for 5 or 6 different subscriptions, GoHighLevel handles everything under one roof. That's why it's become the go-to platform for agencies and small businesses in 2026. Alright, let's get into the platform. Once you've clicked on my link, you'll be taken into this webpage. You'll have to click on Start 14-day free trial, fill in your details. Once that is done, click on Step 2. And then here's the part where they're going to be asking for your card details. Now again, you won't be charged up front. This will only happen after the free trial is over. Once you fill those details up, just click on the Terms of Service checkbox and then start your 14-day free trial. Once that is done, you'll be asked to fill a couple of more details. Just follow through with the workflow and get back to the video. Now, once you're finished with onboarding, you'll be taken into the dashboard. This is the first screen that you see. On the left-hand side, you'll be noticing a couple of main navigation menu. Every feature in GoHighLevel is accessible from this sidebar. You'll see icons for dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, and much more. At the top right, you can also see your account name, and at the bottom left, your settings icon. Don't click on anything yet. I just want you to get familiar with where everything lives before we start exploring. Now click on Contacts on the left sidebar. This takes you into your CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Manager. Think of this as your digital address book, but way more powerful. Every lead or client you have will live here. When you click on a contact's name, you will see their full profile, their phone number, email, tags that you've added, even the notes of the previous member that was handling them. It is basically a complete history of every interaction with this lead. This is where you track every single person in your business. To add a new contact manually, you just have to go back, click on the blue Add Contact button, and then this is where you can fill in the details of your new lead. Next, let's look at the pipelines. Go back into the left sidebar and click on Opportunities. This opens your pipeline view. A pipeline is basically a visual board that tracks every potential client or deal which is in your sales process. You'll see columns across the screen, which is new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed. Each card on the board represents the current stage of the person or deal. To move someone forward in your process, you can just click and drag the card that you want to move and drag it onto the next column. So in this case, if I have a deal with Taylor Reynolds and I have contacted them, I'm just going to drag them onto the other side. And voila, just like that. This is how you visually manage your entire sales flow without losing track of anyone. By the way, if you're following along and haven't grabbed the GoHighLevel link yet, the link is in the description below. It gives you a 14-day free trial with no payments up front. Let's keep going. Now let's go to the funnels. Click on the Sites button on the left sidebar. This is GoHighLevel's built-in funnel and website builder. Once you click in, you'll see a list of any funnels that you have already created. To see how this works, click on the blue Add New Funnel on the top right. You'll get a pop-up asking you to name the funnel. Now you can either choose to start from blank, build with AI, or start from templates. For now, we're going to be starting from blank. Once you have a funnel name, click on Create. After that, you'll land on the funnel step screen. Click on Add a New Step. Give it a name like Landing Page, and then click on Create Funnel Step. You will now be able to edit this funnel and use existing or create from blank, add variations, or even delete the funnel step. If you click on the Edit button, this opens a drag and drop page builder. You'll see a blank canvas on the right and panel of elements on the left. Headlines, buttons, images, forms. You can drag pretty much anything that you want and design your first funnel. Now here's for step 6, automations. This is one of the most powerful features in GoHighLevel. click on Automations on the left sidebar. This is where you're going to be setting up workflows that run on autopilot. Think of it like this. Every time something happens, like someone fills out your form, books a call, or gets added as a contact, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a text, email, or even move them into your pipeline without you lifting a finger. To create one, you can just click on Create Workflow on the upper right. And again, it's going to be asking you to start from scratch, select from template, or use a company-based workflow. I'm going to be starting from scratch. In here, you'll be seeing a blank workflow canvas. At the middle, click on Add New Trigger. A drop-down will appear. And let's select Contact Created. Click on Save Trigger. And then click on the plus button at the bottom of the trigger. In here, you're going to be clicking on Send Email. It's going to be asking you to fill out a couple of details and what message you're going to be sending. So I need you to fill that up. Once that is complete, click on Save Action. And this is how it would look like. Basically, what this means, once a contact has been created, it will be sending an email to the contact of whatever message that you have placed in. Let's look at calendars next. Click on the calendars on the left sidebar. This opens GoHighLevel's built-in appointment booking system. It replaces tools like Calendly entirely. Now to create your first calendar, click on the new calendar on the upper right. It's going to be asking you to choose your calendar type, either personal booking, round robin, collective booking, or class booking. We're going to be clicking on personal booking for now. Then it's going to be asking you to fill out the calendar name, the team members affected, custom URLs, and how long the meeting would be. You can type something like discovery call. Below that, you can set your availability, the days you're open, and the hours you accept bookings. Once you're done, click on confirm, and then GoHighLevel automatically generates a booking link for you. You can copy that link and put it in your funnel, your emails, your website, and people can book directly into your calendar without any back and forth emails. The last thing I want to show you is the agency feature. This is what makes GoHighLevel truly unique. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a drop down with your agency name. In here, you can switch to agency view. This is the master control panel. From here, you can create sub-accounts for each of your clients. Each sub-account has its own entirely complete separate workplace, its own contacts, funnels, automations, and calendar. So if you're running a marketing agency and you manage 10 different clients, each client gets their own GoHighLevel environment. But you control everything from one master login. No separate subscriptions, separate logins, it's all under your agency account. And that's your complete GoHighLevel overview as a beginner. You now know what the platform is, how to navigate the dashboard, how to manage your contacts, run pipelines, funnels, create automations, and even set up bookings. Start building your first funnel or automation before the day is over. The link is below. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comments. I answer every single question, and I'll see you in the next one.